Have you ever tried accessing your website only to find that it's unreachable, leaving both visitors and you frustrated? When ports 80 and 443 fail to respond, it can cripple your online presence, affecting everything from user experience to your site's security. Understanding why these essential ports aren't responding and how to fix them is crucial for maintaining a reliable and secure website. Port 80 and port 443 are the backbone of web traffic. Port 80 is designated for HTTP traffic, enabling standard, unsecured communication between a user's browser and your web server. Port 443, on the other hand, is used for HTTPS traffic, which secures data transmission through encryption, protecting sensitive information from potential threats. When these ports are not responding, it typically indicates issues with server configuration, firewall settings, or network connectivity, all of which can prevent users from accessing your site or compromise the security of their data. Several common factors can cause ports 80 and 443 to stop responding. Server misconfigurations are a primary culprit, where incorrect settings in your web server software, like Apache or Nginx, can block these ports. Firewall rules may inadvertently block incoming or outgoing traffic on these ports, either on your server or at the network level, preventing legitimate traffic from reaching your site. Additionally, SSL certificate issues can disrupt port 443, causing HTTPS connections to fail if certificates are expired, misconfigured, or not properly installed. Network problems, such as DNS issues or ISP restrictions, can also lead to these ports becoming unresponsive, affecting the overall accessibility of your website. To resolve these issues, start by verifying your server's configuration. Ensure that your web server software is correctly set up to listen on ports 80 and 443. Check your firewall settings to confirm that these ports are open and allowing traffic. Tools like iptables for Linux or the Windows Firewall settings can help you manage and troubleshoot these rules. For HTTPS issues, inspect your SSL certificates to make sure they are valid and properly installed. Utilize online SSL checkers to identify and fix any certificate problems. Additionally, monitor your network for any connectivity issues that might be affecting port responsiveness. Regularly updating your server software and maintaining proper security protocols can prevent these issues from recurring. Practical steps to keep ports 80 and 443 functioning smoothly include setting up automatic updates for your server software, implementing robust firewall rules that allow necessary traffic while blocking threats, and regularly renewing and validating your SSL certificates. Using monitoring tools can help you detect and address port issues promptly before they impact your users. By taking these proactive measures, you can ensure that your website remains accessible and secure, providing a seamless experience for your visitors. Have you experienced issues with ports 80 or 443 on your website, and how did you resolve them? Share your troubleshooting tips and experiences in the comments below.